Hi everybody! So I am going to show you in this really quick video how to install and use the redirect tool in your Canvas course. So the redirect tool is a really handy app that will allow you to create a permanent link in your left-hand course navigation menu in your course. So it's pretty easy to install. If you have a link that you want people to use consistently and you think it might be handy to have it in the navigation menu, here's how you do it. So go down to the settings in the course navigation menu, and you're going to go to the apps tab. Now the redirect tool is this app right here. It looks like an arrow. It's already installed in Canvas, so you don't need to download it first. Click on that and then click on Add App. So what pops up is this default name, redirect tool, and the URL that you want to redirect people to. So now I'm going to go to my consistent recurring Zoom meeting I have every week for my office hours. And I'm going to copy the link that I want to put, and insert it into the URL redirect, and then I'm going to rename it something that makes sense. I'm going to rename it Zoom Office Hours. This time when we see Zoom Office Hours will show in the left-hand course navigation menu. You can click on it and you'll automatically be taken to my Zoom meeting. So I'm going to leave this one checked, force open in a new tab, just because it's an external page. And then I'm going to click Show in Course Navigation, so it shows up for me. Then click Add App. The app was added successfully. Hooray! And I want to make sure that I update the course details so that it loads there for me. And now I can make sure I can that link will show up in my navigation by heading to the Navigation tab. So you can see it's all the way down here right now. Zoom Office Hours is the new link. I don't want it to be down at the bottom because that's kind of hard to see. So I'm going to drag it up to the top. And I think I will leave it right under announcements because I know it's a pretty important link that I want students or anybody to be able to find. So once I dragged it to the place I want, click Save. And now if you go to our home page, you can see that that link is right there, Zoom Office Hours. So anytime you want to come talk to me in my Zoom Office Hours and you're in the Canvas shell, you can just click on that link. It'll prompt you to open to a new tab, and then it prompts you to open Zoom and join the meeting. So there you go. Pretty easy and handy to have there for any recurring meeting you want to link to, any page that you're constantly directing people to or students to open, you can have it right there as a permanent location.